Hey everyone, so today we're gonna be unboxing this new Gucci mini purse that I got at the Gucci store in San Jose, California. So here it is. It's a mini web Ophidia. Wait, what's it called? Ophidia mini web, something like that. So this is just my receipt. Shout out to Kim who helped me with the particular purse that I got. It is a crossbody. I love crossbodies, so I have this one to add to my collection. Let's see. So of course it comes with a Gucci dust bag. I love their dust bags. It's like so durable. And here it is. I believe this is pretty new. She said that this came out maybe like on Monday, and I'm filming this on Thursday. So here it is. It has a pocket right here. It's not a deep pocket, so I don't know what you can really fit in this little tiny pocket, but I guess it's there if we need it, maybe like a little headache medicine or something. My car keys don't even fit in it. And then looks like it's like a suede material, and it comes with this flat pocket right here. The Gucci logo on the back. And also right here, the little Gucci logo on the front. So I know this one comes also with the classic brown, but I chose to get this one because the white one's just so fun. Like it, I don't know, it's like a little pop, not like very common yet. The strap is adjustable. There's the strap. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 loops on. 5 loops on. You can see it's like gold plated. It's pretty cool, right? And then here it is again, the inside and the zipper. And then it has this. There's like no Gucci on the sides or any logos on there, but it's pretty cute. It's a crossbody. I'm about 5'3", and I have to, when I tried it on the store, I have to use like the very last strap. But yeah, here it is. If you guys are thinking of buying this, hopefully this video helps you with the decision that you're gonna make. I can't wait to use it and see what actually fits in it. Well, when I went to the store, my phone and my wallet fit. I have an iPhone 13 Pro Max and a Rosalie wallet that fit in there perfectly, and there's a lot of room, and my car keys also fit in there. But hopefully this helps.